Right turn. Left. Okay. Brake lights. Reverse. We good? Great. So for our second trip, we were headed up to Sauk Center, Minnesota, for a weekend on Sauk Lake. And the reason we picked it was because a friend of ours, they had just acquired a pontoon over the winter, and we're basically in the same place. It is a significant investment, and we're going to try to make the most out of this investment as much as possible. So one of the natural benefits for them having a pontoon and us having the trailer that we have is that we each bring our towable to the campsite. Our campsite became kind of the centerpiece of where all campsite related activities happen, you know, cooking, fireplace, just kind of hanging out. Yeah. But during the day, we were planning on just being on the water, using our friend Tony's pontoon. This will last us.
Cats in the cradle?
Nice, like, little sunset.
Well, not Walmart's right here.
A little bit.
Oh yeah.
Walmart, we got a liquor store.
Yeehaw.
When Lauren gets here, we're gonna hit up that liquor store. Let's get her nice and toasted. Alright, first of all, look at this sunrise. And trailer's right there. More importantly, there's something jumping in the water over here. We've been trying to get a look, but it like jumped as close as like right here. Yeah, and now it just fluttered over there. I think it's a fish or bird trying to hunt, but and back to the sunrise. What a great view to wake up to. What? We made it.
Every once in a while, check on Yoshi. I had a dog once that jumped on the back of the boat and I didn't know for like a minute.
The dog, Yoshi?
Yeah. He's there.
Oh, okay. on the lake for a good amount of time. It was a great afternoon, and when we got back, we just fixed up dinner and ended up watching a movie in the trailer and just played right into what we had wanted to do for this weekend. Low-key evening after that, we just all went to bed.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I was looking at a camper and I have a Dodge Durango as well. Does it pull pretty good?
Yeah, you have a decent.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many eggs?
Okay, sounds
Alright, take care.
6 maybe.
Got the envy of the neighborhood.
I mean, she's in, you know, that red Durango that we were like, that red Durango's hot. That's hers.
Oh,
She's got a Hemi.
oh, does she?
She's making my Durango look sad.
What's the difference?
Yay, right?
That engine.
Oh, but it's the sport too?
No, she's just.
Sport.
It looks sporty.
Yeah.
It's not
But it's not.
Oh my god, I was so excited. Someone asking me questions? A role reversal. I guess they're playing on that stage over there.
Maybe on the dock there.
Oh no, they're right there.
Yeah, they're on the dock over there.
Took off to Tennessee, I heard that you made fun of me. Never imagined I'd make it this far. When you married
pretty good hobby to pass the time during COVID. Also, you know, if it picks up any momentum, you know, you get some side cash from YouTube. Why not? You know?
I can't see because I'm so gravity defying right now.
Oh, they are stuck.
That's what I said.
See, now you guys need, yeah.
They'll get out. They only have 2 people.
Yelling dad. They're yelling for their dad.
Look at that, rooster tail.
Boat up by doing that?
Well, they're gonna probably cut up their prop.
Yep.
Yeah, they were yelling for somebody.
Oh,
That was on shore.
now I feel bad.
I thought I heard help.
See?
Really?
I told you. Listen to a nurse.
But they were there for a while and they were having fun, so that's why we didn't think that they were.
Yeah,
stuck.
why are there still people in the water?
I think they're stuck.
Or is
But at
that?
first they were just playing and they didn't seem like
They got it.
minded
Yeah, there's still people in the water. That's you should. What you?
They're
Man,
probably like, well, it's okay, the sun's up. Now it's getting dark. You're like, oh, fine.
Yeah,
sun's out,
exactly.
guns out.
We're stuck.
So that was our weekend on the lake. Nothing like sitting around a campfire to cap it off. RV wise, there were some learnings to be had this weekend, which I'll cover off in a separate video. But until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw.